Hey everyone, Michael here with a bit of a different video today. Yes, this isn't a travel video. I'll be unboxing some exciting new gear to hopefully make some really great videos in the near future. I've picked up two microphones. First, Rode's NT1 5th generation condenser mic, and second, for my Canon R5, is Rode's NTG Shotgun microphone. We'll be unboxing the NT1 5th generation today. One of the main reasons I bought this particular model is for its USB-C connection. The mic supports both analog XLR if you're looking to connect this to an audio interface. Opening the box, you get the shock absorber mount, the condenser microphone, and a nice red box with all the cables you'll need. Starting with cables, you get a really long 6-meter XLR cable. I don't know if it's just me, but I love the color that they've used. The USB-C cable is a bit shorter at 3 meters, which may not be long enough for some setups. And the moment we've been waiting for, the condenser microphone itself, along with the branded dust sock. When you take the microphone out, you can instantly feel the build quality. It definitely feels premium, and it looks absolutely stunning. The NT1 comes with the SM6 studio microphone shock mount. It features a removable pop shield with 2 axis of adjustments and a telescopic arm. A bit challenging to get out of the box here, but I'm sure that's just me. The shock mount features a suspended connection for the mic and has a nice weight to it as well. Setup is pretty intuitive. The mic simply screws into the shock mount. Choose your cable of choice and plug it in. Note that you will need either a mic stand or arm or something to elevate the mic above your table, as there isn't much room between the base of the shock mount and the base of the microphone. Definitely no room for either of the cables. The shock mount comes with 2 points of connection, one for the pop filter and one for the mic stand or arm. And yes, those with a keen eye will see I have screwed the pop filter into the wrong connection. Not only does this mic feel high quality in your hand, this mic looks absolutely great. So there it is, the Rode NT1 5th generation condenser microphone. I can't wait to test this out with some voiceovers on our upcoming trips. If you have Rode's NT1 5th generation mic or have a different mic that you use in your setup, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching to the end. Hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to see the unboxing of my Rode NTG Shotgun microphone next. Until next time, peace.